that rather Jesus was a tzaddik. This is so telling.
On such a high level. Yeah, this guy is totally drunk the Kool-Aid with Chabad Hasidism or Baal Shem Tov and the Magid of Mezrich and the whole circles.
We should clarify this because a lot of people don't realize this. I wrote a paper on this 5 years ago. The idea of the tzaddik. Now, tzaddik means righteous, and within Hasidic Judaism, they have the leader of their sects are called the tzaddikim or the tzaddik, right. And it's usually passed down through a dynasty. And most, not all, but most of the I think there's about somewhere in the vicinity of 65 to 70 various Hasidic communities. Each one of them, for the most part, minus maybe 8 or 9, have a sitting tzaddik in their midst with them. Now, right. A lot of people think that the tzaddik is just a very wise and righteous man that leads his people. And that
tzaddik doesn't even have to be a rabbi.
Right. That is totally not true. It's what it is it's a complete ripoff and replacement of Yeshua.
They're trying to replicate. He actually, in the now it depends between different Hasidic groups, because even there's a fragmentation there in the late 1700s, early 1800s. But some communities viewed their tzaddik as like the sole gate through God.
Right.
And so they would take their prayers to him and he would intercede. One difference is that some sects, and I don't remember because it's been a long time, believe that their tzaddik is the provider of material benefit. In other words,
and male children.
We want to have a firstborn son. Right. We want to have children. We go to the tzaddik, and then we have some sort of or I need to do well in business. That material benefit comes through the intermediation of the tzaddik. And others believe no, he's not here for any material.
It's all spiritual.
It's only spiritual. So you'll see variation on that.
This is also.
But the idea is that they are some sort of high level. They have access to God's ear.
So the other thing that the tzaddik is built on, and a lot of people don't know this about Hasidic Judaism, is reincarnation. Basically, the idea is that the tzaddik has been reincarnated and so many times. And come to
he's kept all the mitzvot,
and now the next reincarnation he's going to be an angelic being, or up in the he's going to become part of God or whatever. And so what the tzaddik does is he puts himself into trance states and goes back and forth. This, I'm not joking. This is widely known knowledge. You can look it up. But he travels in between the 7 heavens. He's able to enter the throne room of God, and he's able to bring his people's petitions through prayer into the throne room of God. What does this sound like? This is clearly built off of Christian theology, and it's just, it's a replica.
Absolutely.
They're trying to rip off Christ. Don't miss any clips from Messiah Matters by clicking the subscribe button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it so other people can see it too.